It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and today I am going to be reinventing this hot mess of a pot. Can you even see the pot? My problem with this is that it is unintentional, overgrown. The aeonium sunburst are all scarred, and these arboretums are really leggy. This is just giving me hives. I'm gonna put something in here that's gonna look good 12 months out of the year. There we go. You will go elsewhere. As you can see, I have this really pretty orange pot. Who knew, right? My soil is a mix of bagged potting soil that we get at the home store and pumice. So, the plant that I chose for this pot is a golden torch. You can see that this wasn't super heavily rooted, thank God. A lot of work when it is. I'm generally a lot tougher on non-cactus, meaning that I cut off a lot of the roots and sometimes even plant them as cuttings. But cactus are a little more sensitive than most succulents, and they can rot. So I don't recommend planting cactus as cuttings. It's better to keep their roots intact. And we want our plant to be level, or fairly level, with the rim of the pot. You don't want to go too far below grade. You can risk rotting. You don't want to plant it above grade because frankly that would look bad. Be sure and stay tuned to the end to see what I choose for top dressing and why top dressing is so important. Okay, now I'm going to take this mix with the pumice and I'm going to do a little backfill. Be sure and plant your cactus in dry mix, not wet or damp mix. And you're not going to want to water this for a month, maybe a few weeks. There's no need. This cactus is storing a lot of water in its trunk. It doesn't need additional irrigation. Summer is a stressful time for these plants, and I have moved it to a new location, a new exposure, a new microclimate. The plant's going to need a minute to adjust before I assault it with irrigation. Now look what I chose to top dress with. Why am I top dressing? Because I don't like the look of just dirt. So I chose some Mexican beach pebble and some creba, which is basically just crushed Mexican beach pebble. And I'm going to top dress a couple inches thick. The top dressing helps conserve moisture when needed. It helps deter or suffocate weeds. And it just looks really cool. It makes your plant pot arrangement look far more finished. You can do glass, you can do one type of pebble, you can mix your pebbles, you can do gravels, you can do whatever floats your boat. For those of you that may be new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and share these videos. Also, if you hop on over to the website at lauraeubanks.com, we are actually hiring. So if you're interested in working with Team BFS, please send in your submission. Bye guys.